In this video, I'm going to show you how to make network shortest path maps and isochrone maps in Cube, a network with some attributes on it. The starting network that you begin with has a couple of attributes on it. We can zoom in here to one of these links and see it has a length attribute and a distance attribute. And it also has it has this posted speed limit attribute. So that's what the speed limit on the road is. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's the free flow speed or even the congested speed. So if we come instead to the model that the network after the model runs all the way through, we can zoom in and we can see that it has, the same freeway link here has a lot more attributes on it. It still has the length and the distance attribute, but now it has a free flow speed of 68 miles an hour. And then when you come down at the bottom, you'll see that the peak congested speed, or the speed from the congested period, is here. You can get the congested speed from each of the other 4 periods. There's not very much congestion in this model because we haven't calibrated it yet, but after we calibrate it, the congested speed would provide a better estimate of the speed that people actually travel at. So when you build your paths, you might choose to use a free flow speed or congested speed for a specific period. So let's find the shortest path between a couple of different TAS centroids in this network. So to start, let's number the TAS centroids. So I'm going to come over here to the Home tab, and I'm going to post the node number. But because every node has a number and I only want to put the TASs, I'm going to say only post the node if it's less than 300. So now we see we have all the different nodes pulled up. So now I want to find the shortest path between, let's say, node 159 out here by the airport to node 197 in downtown Roanoke. So now we have these nodes labeled. Let's find the distance. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to this Analysis tab and click the Build a Path. And this is where we tell Cube which link attributes to use in the path. If you right-click, you can see all the paths in the network, all the attributes in the network you can use, or you can type them out. And we're going to use distance divided by free flow speed. And if you try to put this in too fast, it won't let you do it. Free flow speed times 60. So distance is in miles, free flow speed is in miles per hour. We multiply it by 60 to get the travel time in minutes. And we push done. And then this little drop down comes up that allows you to show what you want to do. So I lost my nodes, so let's post those again. Okay, and I want to do the path from 159 at the airport down to 197 downtown. And if I push display, then it will show me the path that vehicles would take based on that free flow speed, and then how long the path is cumulatively. So it's 2 minutes to here, 3 minutes to here, 4 minutes to here, etc., etc. Shows how to make an isochrone map, or how to show the travel time from one place to all other places. I'm going to clear this. And now I'm going to push isochrone. And let's put it in bands of 3 minutes. Okay. But here we're going to change our origin to this downtown zone 197. And for destination, let's do all the zones. So 0 to 300. And now we can push display. And now you'll see you get these bands of color. So everything within this blue band is less than 3 minutes. Everything in the green band is less than 6 minutes. The red band is 9 minutes, and on and out you go. We can change the increment to be 10 minutes instead, and that gives us a slightly less interesting graph, but depending on what you're doing, you may want a different increment set. Maybe five's about right for this network. But that's network and path building in Qt.